Racing just is started. We have Conquista Boy. Break quickly start. Inquiries down on the inside. Moving upon the outside. Aloha. Flying with you in the middle portion. Tonic Water Sambat comes next. Bebot. While Quick Storm is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Conquista Boy flying with you in the middle portion. Aloha is on the outside third. Inquiries racing in fourth. The next online is Sambat, and on the outside is Tonic Water. Bebot second last, while Quick Storm is still running at the tail of the field. Half mile distance they traveled. We have Conquista Boy by about 2 lengths, and in second now is Aloha flying with you. Drops back in third. Inquiry, then here comes Sambat. Now moving up to take fifth. Next online is Tonic Water. Bebot, while Quick Storm is still running at the tail of the field. And at the fourth turn, we have entry number 5, and this one is Conquista Boy, maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Inquiry in second, and on the outside, Aloha Sambat. Moving up now on the outside, flying with you in fifth. And as they swing for home, we have Conquista Boy, this time by about 4 lengths. Inquiry in second. Sambat on the outside with about 100 meters of the race. We have Conquista Boy, followed by Sambat on the outside. Conquista Boy, Sambat on the outside, and finally it's Conquista Boy, Sambat, Bebot, then comes Inquiry. Tonic Water close.
576